Hi, my name's Katherine Battersby and I'm an author and illustrator, and I have made a heap of different picture books, like this one, Perfect Pigeons. But I am really excited to be here with you today to share with you Cranky Chicken, my debut graphic novel for young readers. It is about one very cranky chicken, a rather cheerful worm, and quite an unlikely friendship. Should we read some together? So in the book, there are 3 chapters, or 3 separate stories, and in between each story there's some little mini comics as well. But we are going to read the first chapter, called Super Cranky Chicken. So is she a super chicken, or is she just super cranky? I suppose we'll find out. Super Cranky Chicken. If you look closely, you can see a little sign saying, "Home Cranky Home," next to a stuffed rabbit. And some little footprints. Let's follow them. Look at that. Grumble, grumble, grumble. That is one cranky chicken. Cranky eyebrow, cranky eyes, super sharp cranky beak, even cranky scratchy feet. That's a lot of crank for one small bird. What could make this chicken so cranky? I wonder. Everything. The sun is too bright. My tail is itchy. Why is dirt so dirty? Oh, what's that? Leaf, you are in my way. Move now, or else. Okay, I warned you. Kick. Oh, who's that? Hi. Chicken looks a bit surprised. Oh, she's walking away rather quickly. Off she goes. Hi there. Oh, how'd that worm get there? Oh, she's running away again. You know, when someone says hello, it's polite to say hello back. It's a good point, worm. I'm not the polite chicken. I'm the cranky chicken. Didn't you read the cover? How could you be cranky on such a beautiful day? Look at that sky. Smell these flowers. Grumble. Feel that breeze. Ugh, what a day. It does look rather beautiful, doesn't it? You are fast. Yup, fastest worm in the West. My name is Speedy. Of course it is. What's yours? Some call me Cranky. Who does? Me, I guess. How about friends? Family? It's just me here. I've always been on my own. That sounds lonely. Lonely? Do I look lonely? Would a lonely chicken be so well adjusted? Nope, not me. I'm just fine. Fine, fine, fine. Grumble, grumble, grumble. Why are you following me anyway? Because I like you. You what? I like you. Why? Because you saved me. I did. Yes, from the evil leaf. Don't you remember? This is exactly what happened. Little worm, I'm coming for you. Oh no, I'm going to squish you. I have a family. I don't care, I'm an evil leaf. No! And I was stuck for hours and days and probably years. But then you were all, I am Super Cranky Chicken! Begone, evil leaf! Ah! Wow, I know. So you like me? I do. Even though I'm cranky. Especially because you're cranky. Well, okay then. That makes me feel... What's that thing when you're not cranky? Happy? Yeah, that. You sure look happy, friend. Do you think she looks happy? I'm not sure Chicken ever looks happy, even if her heart has started to change just a little bit. And then, like I told you, there are some mini comics in between each chapter, like this one, The Things That Make Chicken Cranky. There are lots. And the things that don't make Chicken cranky. Yes, there are a few things. Now, people often tell me that they are either more of a cranky chicken or a cheerful worm. I wonder which one you are. You might have to read the rest of the book to find out. Happy reading!